ગુડ મોર્નિંગ ટુ ઓલ મિત્રો. આજે આપણે કનેક્ટિંગ રોડની ડિઝાઇનમાં બીજો એક એક્ઝામ્પલ જે છે તે સોલ્વ કરશું. એક્ઝામ્પલની રકમ આ પ્રમાણે છે કે ડિટરમાઇન ધ ડાયમેન્શન ઓફ ક્રોસ સેક્શન ઓફ ધ કનેક્ટિંગ રોડ ફોર ડીઝલ એન્જિન વિથ ધ ફોલોઈંગ ડેટા. Cylinder bore is equal to 100 millimeter, length of connecting rod is equal to 350 mm, maximum gas pressure is equal to 4 megapascal and factor of safety is equal to 6. Assume the sigma C is equal to 300 Newton upon millimeter square and constant A is equal to 1 upon 7500. એટલે કે કનેક્ટિંગ રોડની ડિઝાઇનની અંદર જે આ એક્ઝામ્પલ સોલ્વ કરવાનું છે તેની અંદર માત્ર અને માત્ર આપણે આઈ સેક્શનના ડાયમેન્શન જે છે તે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાના છે અને તેના માટે રકમ જે છે તે આ પ્રમાણે છે. સિલિન્ડર બોરનો ડાયામીટર ડી જે છે તે 100 mm છે. કનેક્ટિંગ રોડની લેન્થ 350 મિલીમીટર છે. મેક્સિમમ ગેસ પ્રેશર પી મેક્સિમમ 4 મેગાપાસ્કલ, FOS 6, સિગ્મા સી ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 300 ન્યૂટન પર મિલીમીટર સ્ક્વેર એન્ડ constant A, Rankine constant A is equal to 1 upon 7500. So first of all we can put the data in given data, write down the given data. So the given data capital D is equal to 100 millimeter, L is equal to 350 millimeter and P maximum is equal to 4 megapascal, FOS is equal to 6, sigma C is equal to 300 Newton upon millimeter square and last constant A is equal to 1 upon 7500. Let us consider an I section of the connecting road. આપણે સૌથી પહેલા I section જે છે એને ડ્રો આઉટ કરવું પડે છે. તો I section ની અંદર W is equal to T જે છે તે થિકનેસ છે, વિડ્થ જે છે B is equal to 4T છે and depth and height is equal to 5T જે અહીં દર્શાવવામાં આવેલી છે. અને તેને અહીંયા લખેલું છે કે ફ્લેંજ એન્ડ વેબ થિકનેસ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ T, વિડ્થ ઓફ ધ ફ્લેંજ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ B ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 5T and height and depth of the flange is equal to capital H is equal to 5T. First of all we can find out the cross section area of the I section of connecting road. So the area A is equal to 2 in bracket 4T into T in other bracket 3T into T. So the area is equal to 11T square. Next, the moment of inertia of the I section about x-axis. So the I-axis is equal to 1 upon 12 BH cube minus CD cube divided is equal to 1 upon 12 in bracket 4T into 5T cube minus 3T into 3T cube is equal to 1 upon 12 in bracket 500 T raised to 4 minus 81 into T raised to 4. And finally, Ixx is equal to 419 divided by 12 into T raised to 4. Next is radius of gyration. So the Kxx is equal to under root Ixx divided by A. Put on the value Ixx and A. So the Kxx is equal to under root 419 divided by 12 into T raised to 4 divided by 11T square. And Kxx is equal to 1.78 into T. Next one is the maximum gas pressure acting on connecting rod. So the equation is Fp is equal to pi by 4 T square into P maximum is equal to pi by 4 into 4 into 100 square and the Fp value is 31415 in 0.93 in Newton. Connecting rod is designed for the buckling about the x axis. So the buckling load WB is equal to Fp into FOS is equal to 31415.93 into 6. So the WB is 188495.56 in Newton. According to Rankine formula, the buckling load WB is equal to A into sigma C divided by 1 plus A in bracket L upon Kxx whole square. Both put the value on both sides. So the first of all we can put the value of WB 188495.56 is equal to 11 T square into 300 divided by 1 plus 1 upon 7500 in other bracket 350 divided by 1.78 into T whole bracket square. Solve the bracket, the value is 3300 t square divided by 1 plus 5.15 t square is equal to 188495.56. The numerical value taken in one side, so the 188495.56 divided by 3300 is equal to t raised to 4 divided by t raised to t square plus 5.15. The equations are in form of algebraic difference. So the 57.12 in bracket t square plus 5.15 is equal to t raised to 4, and put on equation in algebraic term. So t raised to 4 minus 57.12 t raised to square minus 294.2 is equal to 0. Taking the value of t square is equal to t, so finally the equation we will be write that capital T square minus 57.12 into capital T minus 294.2 is equal to 0. And this is not directly solve this equation, so we can solve this equation on the basis of algebraic equation. So t is equal to minus b plus or minus under root delta divided by 2a is equal to minus in bracket minus 57.12 plus or minus under root minus 57.12 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 294.2 divided by 2 into 1. Solve the bracket and the square root. So the equation will now the value are available as 57.12 plus or minus 66.63 divided by 2, and finally only plus value we will be take in the form, because the minus value are not are negligible. So the 57.12 plus 66.63 divided by 2, so the capital T is equal to 61.87, and the take the small t. So the small t is equal to under root capital T is equal to under root 61.9, and the value of small t is equal to 7.86 is approximately we can take the value of thickness is 8 millimeter. So the thickness of flange and web is equal to T is equal to 8 millimeter. Width of I section is equal to B. B is equal to 40. So the 4 into 8 is equal to 32 millimeter. Next is depth of the I section is equal to 5T, and put the value of 5 into 8 is equal to 40 millimeter. Next one is depth of the height at the small end is equal to H2. So the H2 is equal to 0.85 into capital H, and the 0.85 into 40 H2 is equal to 34 millimeter. Last one is depth of height at big end is equal to H1. H1 is equal to 1.2 into capital H. So the value are 1.2 into 40 is equal to 48 millimeter. Now the I section dimension are complete from this design point of view. એટલે કે આપણો જે આઈ સેક્શનના ડાયમેન્શન જે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાના હતા તો તે અહીં આ મેથડથી પૂર્ણ થઈ ગયા છે. તો આ રીતે એક અલગ મેથડથી પણ આવી રીતે 7 માર્ક માટે કનેક્ટિંગ રોડની ડિઝાઇન માટેનો ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછી શકાતો હોય છે. નેક્સ્ટ એક એક્ઝામ્પલ છે કે જે તમે સોલ્વ તમારી જાતે કરવાનો છે અથવા તો સેલ્ફ સ્ટડીમાં સોલ્વ કરવાનો છે, અને રકમ જે છે તે આ પ્રમાણે છે. A connecting road is to be designed with a two end for a four-stroke petrol engine having the following specification. Piston diameter is equal to 150 mm, stroke length is equal to 150 mm, length of connecting rod is equal to 320 mm, mass of reciprocating part per cylinder is equal to 2 kg. Speed of engine is equal to 1500 rpm, compression ratio is equal to 4:1, maximum explosive pressure is equal to 2.5 megapascal. Yield stress of road material is equal to 320 megapascal. Factor of safety is equal to 5. Select 5T into 4T આઈ સેક્શન એન્ડ જસ્ટિફાય યોર સિલેક્શન. એટલે કે આ જે રકમ આપણને આપેલી છે તેની અંદર આપણે કનેક્ટિંગ રોડની ટોટલી ડિઝાઇન કરવાની છે, જેની અંદર આપણને આઈ સેક્શનના ડાયમેન્શન કયા લેવાના છે તે ઓલરેડી આપેલું છે કે 5T × 4T × T એ એક પ્રકારનું આઈ સેક્શન જે છે તે આપણે ડિઝાઇન તરીકે લેવાનું છે. નંબર 2, જે ગિવન ડેટાની અંદર ડેટા આપ્યા છે તેની અંદર ડાયામીટર કેપિટલ ડી આપેલો છે 150 millimeter, capital L stroke length is equal to 150 millimeter, length of connecting rod small l is equal to 320 millimeter, m is equal to reciprocating mass is equal to 2 kg, n equal to 1500, compression ratio 4:1, p maximum is equal to 2.5, sigma c for the connecting rod material in the design of Rankine formula is 320 megapascal, and last one is factor of safety is equal to 5. And any other data will be taken as assumption in our design point of view. So you can solve this example